eternal water hypothesis. Let's start first principles and say that water exists and has always existed and always will exist. What's the mechanism that creates this power of existing forever? And I'm going to say that's eternal. So it's a power that lasts forever, like a battery that never runs out. Nothing to it. It's a battery that never runs out, eternal. If that power is running a mechanism, then that mechanism is perpetual. So there's perpetual motion, but the motion relies on the power source. If the motion creates an energy that is the power source, then you've got eternal and perpetual working together, one creating the other. That creates a duration. There is a mechanism. The mechanism goes through a motion. The motion takes a duration. It's a definition of motion itself. And so motion must exist in water. Immortality comes next as a definition. That if that machine is aware, if it is aware of the machine, then it can prove to itself that the mechanism is the spark of light, that is life. So we know water and life are absolutely, they're kissing cousins. One is the other. They're so clearly linked together. So the hypothesis is simply that water exists and has always existed, and that the dilatancy effect of the mechanism creating the time in which the mechanism can exist in order which it can counter snap in the instant. 2 steps of time in Planck's constant duration. The mechanism, you just see in the mechanism of compression of water, of wetness. Wetness wants to be flat, but what creates the wetness in the first place is the seed, the time particle, the water seed, the magic porridge pot that makes water at the centre of the planet. And that just gets bigger and bigger, and it gets to the surface and it inverts, and there's an atmosphere, and so the life that's created by the time particle, the warm body, is experienced by us. We do the experiencing on behalf of the time particle, because we're far enough away from the centre, from the centroid, that this cavitation is forced, and so that the dilatancy is realised as a moment in time that we're aware of. And when you see the Earth and the seed of the time particle, and you want to look at scale, look at the cosmos. The cosmos surrounds us that far away, massive. It's all massive. And it's all a shockwave going through water, forcing cavitation, gravitational waves of a shockwave from a centre, spherical sphere. Look how tiny the Earth is. No, look how tiny the Earth is. This crystal seed that lies at the centre where we live. But we can see the centre of the centre. Yeah, there's the centre beyond us, centre of the planet, the time particle, which is created by the force of the outside, the cosmic microwave background, the CMB pulse. Yeah, reflects in the core mantle boundary pulse of the elastica. It's from CMB to CMB. There's a model, isn't it? Just from that single hypothesis from first principles. There's no physics there. It's just a concept to understand. Now take the physics and place it there, that the pirates have done. Place the physics, Pirates of Physics book. Place it there. Welcome home. It's as simple as that. You've got to fucking believe it. Earth is the centre of the universe. Welcome to the future.